This is our first video of Bella Rose 1000 and Swabbery Aubrey. In actual Minecraft, we call it Swabby Aubrey because, you know, Minecraft like swabs. And so we built Stampy, one of our favorite YouTubers.
Woohoo! Hi guys. Snowing.
And so Aubrey, Swabbery Aubrey, go ahead and show them Stampy. So we just built Stampy as a kid with a little wooden sword in his hand. She's going into her inventory. And then Aubrey, how about you show us our, what is it called? Oh yeah, fireworks.
Sure, let me just fix the stomach, because you broke through it.
Oops, I accidentally broke through this
So
stomach.
this is behind his ears. He might need to scratch it. And so when he scratches it, fireworks come through the snow. And of course, they're orange just for Stampy. So when he scratches through his ears, fireworks will come.
Yep.
And here is the inside. And then you can go through this picture. So let me go up here.
And we'll show you what we did. He had a little surprise on his thigh. Whoa, the inside of his head looks really weird.
See, it's over here.
It's
But like we
behind
have
his
other
thigh.
worlds. Like see right here?
Yeah, this is this.
So okay, it's gonna auto save. So
Yeah, we have to wait.
okay. So we go through here. I think it's like, and we're going in.
Ta-da! And it brought us right through to the head.
And then we go down here. And
Whoa.
then we go back up. And then we go down here. And then we go back. Okay, and sorry.
You paying attention to the monitor?
And so
Gotta be right back.
we're just gonna wait for her to get through these cobwebs because this is the cobwebs. Cobwebs is how we made our way to get through the secret photo.
Okay.
So we're going through there. Whoa, and she's falling. Okay, she has successfully made it. Okay.
So this is our Stampy cat. So if you want to take a picture of it during the video,
Yeah.
and you want to just send it to Stampy and say that we made it, and we can be in the Love Garden because ever since we've seen his first video, we always wanted to be in his Love Garden because we love Stampy.
We do a lot.
So remember, it's Bella Rose 1000 and
Aubrey
Aubrey Slabbery. Thank you.
Isn't it Slobbery Aubrey?